Good morning and welcome to the Angry Pool Man channel, where we learn how to treat our pool and our pool man. Today's Friday, and it seems like that's happening so quickly lately. Some less videos during the week, but we definitely are going to hit the high points, and Friday is one of them. You know, you guys, I had my first live stream yesterday, and after reviewing it, first off, it looked horrible. That'll definitely improve in the future. Second off, I was just a complaining, whiny little, I was complaining a lot yesterday, and that's something I don't want to be doing, even to myself, much less to you guys. There is no emotion, there's no room for emotion in business, and my problem is when I love you and I treat your pool like my own, and then people conduct themselves where they just feel like, make me feel like I am less than an employee. I mean, employees get paid. Anyway, like I said, I'm not here to complain, and I want to apologize for doing some this morning. Or I wanted to apologize for doing some yesterday. So yeah, that's always fun when neighbors walk by as I'm vlogging. But anyway, no more complaining. We're here at the leaf canister. We're gonna get it cleaned up. It's really early, 6:30, and so light is never good. The GoPro needs light to excel. So I apologize for any video quality. That was the reason I didn't post some stuff this week, because the video quality was so poor, and I want to give you it's really more me than anybody else. I really want to have high quality video, and it means a lot to me just because of who I am. I used to be a video professional, so my video better look good. Let's get back there and clean it up. Okay, so we're all cleaned up and brushed up. Here are our chems, and we have a surplus of chlorine this week. Low pH, ain't nobody swimming. Alkalinity and cyanuric are good. So I feel really good about this, and we can move on. Okay, we are here at stop 2, also known as the Onyx Pool. And here are our chemicals, and I wish they could all be California girls here. Yeah, perfect chlorine here, perfect pH. We're all back at school, and wonderful conditions here. No pollen in the air, at least up here on the hill. And yeah, that's looking good. We have all kinds of, you know, see how much better the picture looks with a little sunlight? GoPros are not low light cameras, but they are fabulous daylight action cameras. I mean, I think this looks great. Now, that being said, this is a GoPro Hero 10, and they just came out yesterday or a couple days ago with the new 12, so I'll have to be purchasing one of those. Our Hayward pool cleaner, our 2-wheel drive variety, is looking good. I'll have to fetch the chlorine floater here. I don't know if I'm gonna add a tab here, but yeah, I'm just gonna brush and do the thing I always do. Equipment below the grade, right? I don't know if anybody's ever seen that. Okay, there you go. Look at all that rosemary. So yeah, good. We got some ground cover here. Everything is so nice. They got the child fence. Look at the water. Yeah, mountain stream status. I said it. Well, I'm gonna get to work. Okay, so this pool is all set to go for the weekend. So we've had really under the average temperatures all week long, and so Saturday and Sunday, tomorrow and the next day, are supposed to be 92 and 95 respectively here in our little hamlet of Harmony Grove. So anyway, they're ready to go. They're cleaned up, chemmed up. We can move on. Okay, we're here at Spool XL, and things are looking really good. I've just brushed every square inch of this diminutive body of water, but we have an issue here, and it is with our salt cell. This is a Jandy pool. This is a Terra Firma pool. Pool built by Terra Firma out of San Diego, California. So once again, Jandy, and then we have our salt cell over here. So what happened last week when I showed up, there was a really profuse leak coming out of right here, and I noticed there was a crack. And so you may notice here I've applied some PVC cement, and I am allowing it to dry. So that's where the crack is. Sorry if I had some bad camera work there, but yeah, so I put this stuff here in efforts of always trying to save my homeowners money and whatnot. I don't really want to replace the thing. It doesn't make me any money to do that. So not that I want to put it together with spit and gum or anything like that, but that's PVC, that's gray PVC cement is pretty strong stuff. So what I'm going to do is I've brushed everything. I'm going to take my chems, I'm going to Telsa 90, and then we'll go back and check on the dryness. We'll see, maybe we can get away with not having to replace that. Okay, we're here at the Great Wall, and yeah, everything's done. A lot of noise when I have everything going, so the audio is really poor. So wanted to turn it all off before I talk to you. But yeah, looking really good. Plenty of chemicals, like I said, if they could all just be California girls. But yeah, this pool is looking awesome. Mountain stream status water, and we can move on. Okay, we are here at our new account, and we have moved to Friday from Thursday. Yeah, and the thing looks really good. Really great crystal clear water. Now, one thing I'm concerned about is this is my loner Pentair Rebel here, and he's like stuck on the wall, and he's not doing anything. Okay, so that's concerning. It's right after 9, so I've got a spillway program going. If you can see that, that's my spillway. We got a little stuff over here that our gardener buddy
blew in with his leaf blower, but nothing that we can't handle. Yeah, I'm a little concerned with our Pentair Rebel. It doesn't look like he's working properly, but we'll go below and we'll figure it out. Okay, so we're back here at the equipment at, and we don't have a name. It is, this is pretty fancy pool, so maybe we need to come up with something along those lines. But our Pentair Intellichem, I'm not gonna get back there. There's too many spiders. I've got it all working really good. The last guys had the ORP, the chlorine, way too high, and you know, with the help of the gardeners, we've been able to we've been able to clean it up, and I'm gonna get this stuff out of here and get a return, a deposit on these bottles that the last guys left. Okay, so I can tell what's happening here is that the cleaner has purged out of the air, yeah, or out of the water. So yeah, we gotta turn him down because we don't want him to suck air. So I've added some acid. There's to our acid honey pot. I'm gonna be adding some more chlorine next week. There's no need to add right now. Our chems, we have plenty of chems, low pH, of course, because our honey pot is full of acid. I just want to keep paying attention to the pump here. Yeah. It might be, let me go up and take a peek here. That's one of the problems with having the equipment below grade. Yeah, maybe that cleaner is okay. Well, I'm gonna go back up and look at it because I think I've turned it down. Okay, so we've made our adjustment here to our cleaner, and yeah, I'm just not really liking he's going really slow. You know, for my money, if he's gonna be doing more than say 2600, which is just regular circulation speed, if we're gonna ramp up to say 2800 or something like that, he needs to be doing more than that. So I'll probably go down and hit the valve again just to knock it up one more notch. And but like I said before, we don't want this guy to purge, suck air, and then, you know, God knows what'll happen. So anyway, we have not taken our chems yet. Let's do that right now. Okay, actually we got it really low. So our dosage, we did redose, and yeah, I'm feeling good about that. So I'll go back down and make some more tweaking with the Intellichem system. Okay, good times. So been down there at the Intellichem system and was wondering why I couldn't make the ORP and the pH levels move, right? That's what you do. You're adding liquid chlorine or you're adding muriatic acid, and you can literally see via the digital LCD readout, you can see the levels move. And I'm sitting there dosing it, and it's not doing anything. So I go over to the dialysis part of the machine, and the hoses are completely, I should have brought the camera down, but they're just completely torn and they're not holding anything. So I need to replace the hoses, not only on the chlorine side, but also on the acid side. And then when I was brushing the spa just now, found a huge scorpion. Don't see a whole lot of those. But anyway, I'm gonna interface with the homeowner here, and we're gonna get it cleaned up and chemmed up, and so we can move on to our second infinity pool of the day. Okay, we've reached infinity pool number 2 on Friday. And yeah, I think they must have purchased some floaters off Amazon, because yeah, they probably are having issues with dust. But we actually had some chlorine in the pool. Amazing, given how much sunlight this pool receives, which is all day, every day. Yeah, so we've added a tab to the floater in the trough. We added another bag of salt because although the light was green when we got here, it turned red when we went back into auto mode. So added a bag of salt. But yeah, things look good. The water looks awesome. And our brand new Zodiac MX6 is keeping things nice and clean. Guys, if you got anything out of this, give me a like. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment if you got something to say. I'm the original swimming pool fiduciary, working for you out here in the field. I'm the Angry Pool Man. Guys, be excellent to each other, and I'll see you on the next video.